Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to use Adobe Spark. Here's an example of what you can make using Adobe Spark. That is one of the many tools that Adobe Spark allows you to use to make something. Whenever you first log into Adobe Spark, this is what you see. Right up here at this plus sign, you can choose if you want to create a post, page, or video. Today we're going to use video. The first thing it wants you to do is name it. So we're just going to name it class example. And we're going to hit next. There's different templates you can choose from. So let's just scroll through and look at them. Today we're going to use teach a lesson. So we're just going to pick this one. Sometimes it does take a little bit to load. So there is a tutorial that you can use to whenever you first click on it to look through, but we're just gonna go ahead and push okay, I'm ready. So this is what you see first here. You can add a photo, icon, text. We also are going to go up here to where the theme is and select a theme. This is more so for like the font. So we're going to say this. All right. And then we're going to go back to this plus and we're going to push photo. You can either find free photos, the Adobe Stock, Creative Cloud, all these options, or you can upload a photo. We're going to do find free photos, and we're just going to click search school. There's a whole bunch of different options that it comes up with that you can choose from. We're going to just go ahead and use this. And then you can click this plus sign again and add text. So we're just going to title this the same thing as we did, class example. And you can go ahead and make it as big as you want here. It does take some getting used to, so it just fit to the screen. You can add in other slides here, so you can continue your writing this way. It goes all the way. And then at the very end is an outro, credits, summary. This is the template has come this way for everyone to use. You can also add in music up here. Add my music, so anything you own. Or you can go ahead and search through all of these. So we can do and it just shows you different. You can like get clippets from it. All right. We're going to. So then that's added in. Whenever you're done with, oh, and another fun thing with this is you can decide how long you want the slides to be on for. So the max you can have is 10 seconds. So here I'll just show you real fast. So as you can tell from that, that the music we chose, the ukulele stroll, is already set to this slide, as well as the duration that we have it on for. This is something that can be really fun to do with your students in the classroom. You can have them, if they wrote a story, use the characters from the story and make it like a actual visual. There's also another feature that I had showed earlier up here, page. I did a little example already, so we wouldn't have to go through all that, but it's very, very similar, and everything on this site prompts you. So I just titled it George Washington, U.S. President. Right here it says scroll to start writing your story. go ahead and you just scroll down and they can start typing. So it's a really interesting way to have your students write a non-traditional like report if they have to. Alrighty. And then whenever you want to share it, you can publish or share, pick a category, you can create a link and everything, and it can be saved. Whenever I did the video, it came out as an MP4 with the QuickTime player just already on my computer. And then last but not least, the standards it meets standard from the ISTA 6 Creative Communicator. So students can select an appropriate platform, so they can choose from the post, page, or video when using this application, and creating an original work while repurposing the digital resources to create new ones. They can also communicate more complex ideas in an interesting way and publish content for others to see. So they can put this, if the teacher has like a website on there, so parents can see it too, and it's not a traditional way of doing it. So again, this is Adobe Spark, and there are 3 different tools that you can use from it. You can make a post, a page, or a video. All right, have a nice day.